Hey y'all, I got 2 more Halloween DIYs. Although they're so easy, they're not really DIYs. But I wanted to show them to y'all anyway. So hope you liked the video. Okay, DIY number 1. I'm just putting a pretty flower in this cute little cat flower pot thing I found at Dollar Tree. I just love the purple on them mums. I think they're mums anyway. They got 3 different colors, but that purple looks cute with the cat ears. I was just showing y'all I used the flower, that pot, and I'm going to add some ribbon from Dollar Tree. The flower I got at Food City. Figuring out how I wanted it, showing y'all what it looked like. I did this in real time. It's so short it didn't matter. And I'm just figuring out how much ribbon I need and where I want it. Cut that off. I like these purple spider webs with all the purple flowers and stuff. And I stick it down in there. Make sure it goes all the way around. Finally figured my camera out. You can actually see most of all of it anyway. It's better than it was. Yeah, once I figured out it would fit, then I had to turn my hot glue gun on because I forgot and let it warm up. But then I come back and I just hot glue it in a very few little places around, and it sticks pretty cool. Let me see here in a minute. I was just fiddling with it there. Here we go. Just hot gluing, very little bit of hot glue, don't take much. I'm going to set this out somewhere at the camper when we're camping on Halloween. I just did a few spots all around to make it look cool. It just gives it a little something in between where the flower sat down in the pot because it was bigger than the one the flower came in. Well, I hope y'all like this one. It was really easy, but I think it's cute. I'll show you a picture here in a minute. I just love those flowers. They definitely Halloween colors, huh? Hopefully I can keep it alive until Halloween. That's almost a month. Maybe I can make it. I've seen a couple other people do this. Well, I don't know if they added the ribbon, I don't remember, but putting the flower in that little pot. So they had different kinds, pumpkins and cats, and I think witches. Had a whole bunch of different kinds. So there we go. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Hope y'all like that one. And this is DIY number 2. I spray painted that spider black. I got him at Dollar Tree using my metallic copper paint. I'm going to use every dab out of that little squeeze tube. And I'm using some little piece of fishing line. That's what I'm going to hang the spider from, so it looks like he's just hanging there on nothing. And then I just dry brush the paint on him. It looks cool. You can see his head coming out there. Look at it. That's neat. I love that paint. Y'all know that already. Anyway, I paint him on the top and the bottom. Had to pause everything. About forgot supper. Making some turkey chili. Ain't he cool? I just love him. He looks so cool. Now I got to put the fishing line on him. I just put it through 2 of them little slits on his butt back there. And then I do a double knot on it. I think that'd be enough to hold him. If it ain't, I'll do something else with him when we get to the campground. Not sure where I'm going to hang him yet, but I'll find somewhere to put him. Anyway, I'll show y'all what he looks like in a minute hanging up. Thank you so much for watching this short little video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my video. I got a few more subscribers last time. Thank you so much, y'all. I'll see you later.